Hey dads, welcome to Cooking with Cameron, coming to you on the Fathering channel. Great for you to join us today. Time to apron up, time to get in the kitchen, and let's have a go at a creamy Tuscany garlic chicken. Alrighty dads, it's actually lunchtime when I'm cooking this. I'm prepping it for dinner. I've got a heap of things on this afternoon, so just about time management. And all I'm really going to have to do tonight is work out whether I want to have this creamy chicken on pasta or whether I bake up some veggies later on. So, you know, some days it's just what's a quick, simple meal I can throw together. Look, I could throw this together later tonight when I get home from work, but I've got time now. I can throw a lid over this and it's going to keep safe and it's going to still be yummy and the flavours are going to develop. So, what have we got? We've got some chicken, we've got some garlic, we've got some cream, some semi-sun-dried tomatoes, pasta, parmesan, and some spinach and seasoning. It's going to be pretty simple, isn't it? So the reality is I only need 600 grams, 700 grams of thigh fillets. If you want to use breast, if you're not interested in the pink meats, you like the breast meats, really, yeah, for 4 people, 4 breast, chicken breast would do fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice up our chicken and then we'll get into some cooking. Well dads, we've sliced up the chicken. Now I'm just going to get my fry pan nice and hot, and we're just going to quickly brown off the chicken. It shouldn't take too long. You might notice in my videos I've been pouring my olive oil out of this jar. It's got some garlic in there that I'd smoked. Tablespoon of that. I think it's about time to start using this garlic that's in here. Alrighty dads, that's all cooked, the chicken. So very quickly, got the chicken out. $300 ml of cream. Now, I've got a little bit, half a cup of chicken stock. Pour it into there. Give it a shake. Then we want half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now we've just got to cook that down until it thickens up. So while that's reducing down, just added some more garlic. Now you can use garlic powder, you can crush the garlic. This is some garlic that I've had just soaked, that I smoked and has been soaking in olive oil. So that's going to infuse into this cream just nicely. Oh, I've also got to add some Italian seasoning. A traditional Tuscan creamy garlic chicken doesn't have mushrooms in there. But we love mushrooms, so I've just got the button mushrooms and I've just chopped them in half. And that's just going to be in there as well. Add another texture, another flavour. Get the veggie content up. Rightio dads, that's just about thickened up. Add the chicken strips back in. Good handful of spinach. Now this spinach, that's going to look heaps, but when it's cooked, it's all going to be gone. I'm about to turn the heat off, dads, and I've got about 120 grams of semi-sun-dried tomatoes. Now, if you go to the shops and you buy the semi-sun-dried tomatoes and they're in the oil, use the oil right at the very beginning. Instead of using garlic olive oil or just plain olive oil, use the oil out of that semi-sun-dried tomatoes to cook the chicken in, and that flavour will just explode and it's going to be amazing. Well, that's about it. Power off, and it's time to throw it over to you. I'm going to put a lid on that and come back when it's dinner time, and that's going to just be, the flavours are going to be absorbed into that chicken. It's going to taste amazing. So it's over to you. Get into the kitchen, cook for your family. Really, like, the only thing I had to cut was the chicken. You can buy sliced mushrooms. If you want to put mushrooms in it, you don't need to. And it's taken me all of about 40 minutes to pull that together from start to finish. Nice and easy. Great one for you to do in the middle of the week. Cook up some pasta, cook up some mashed potato, pour it over that, just have it on its own. Either way, dads, over to you. Till next week, keep being great dads. Oh yeah. Cheers.